No.
I'm going to drag you out.
No. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Stop and
Do
get
not
out
touch
of the car.
Me. No.
Do not reach into a car that I don't see.
Okay, and what's the reason?
Get out of the car now.
No. What's the reason of you touching me?
Get out of the car. I don't know what's in the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
I don't give a damn. Touch me.
Turn around. That's what I'm going to tell you. Okay? Turn around and put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest.
No, the hell I'm not.
You are under arrest. Do not kick me again. Do not kick me again.
Break my arm. I'm going to f*** you up. Break my arm.
On May 8, 2023, at a Wawa gas station in Coral Springs, Florida, an officer approached a woman in a parked car and demanded her driver's license. What followed was a 90-second spiral from a document request to a physical arrest, child in the back seat the whole time. When does an officer have the legal right to demand anything from you?
Do you see where I'm from? No, because you're...
Hey, how you doing? Relax. Relax. Okay,
No,
relax.
because why are you approaching me? Why are you approaching me?
Stop. Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling?
Yeah, nobody's yelling at you. I just
Okay, but why are you approaching me?
driver's license,
I'm
registration,
not
proof
doing
of
Yes,
insurance.
you are.
Yankee 37.
I'm not driving, so
You're
I'm
in
not
the
doing
car.
Okay, and is the car moving? Is the car moving? Because you're recording and you stop and recording.
No, I just started my recording.
No,
Ma'am,
you're recording.
driver's license, registration, proof of this doesn't have to go bad.
Bro, like, why y'all gotta mess with people?
She got out of the car and started yelling at me.
Sir, I'm
What?
not
It's
giving
no
you...
to be here, bro. I just came to get
First
some
of all,
gas.
we're here.
You don't have to
I'm not
see
having
anything in
your
my
baby.
car.
We're here every day.
All the way over there.
Because I went to pee and then I come over
Okay,
here.
leave me alone, bro.
I
Like,
can't
I'm
even
just
see you
coming
in
to
your
get
car.
gas.
I'm done. Driver's
Just leave
license,
me alone.
registration, and proof of
There's no
insurance.
reason for you to get a
Turn around and
driver's
put your hands
license
behind your
registration.
back because you're
No,
under arrest
don't
then.
touch me.
Stop going into your car.
Bro, I'm getting my
Okay.
phone.
not touch
I'm
me.
getting my phone.
Stop.
Hey,
Just
hey,
stop.
hey, no!
Stand
no,
over
stop.
there.
No!
Stand
Don't
and
touch
stop.
me. Do not touch me. Do not touch
Stop.
me.
Then all you have to do is give me
Okay,
your
do not
driver's
touch me.
license,
No, I'm
registration,
not
proof
giving
of
you because what's the reason that you coming to approach me? Huh? What are you the reason that you to approach me?
driver's license. You got
Don't reach your pocket. My phone.
Mike 22. Can you expedite our 94, please? That's Wawa.
Touch me, that's all I tell you.
Don't reach into the car. Do not reach into the car. Stop.
Do not touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop
Don't
reaching
touch
into
me.
the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Stop reaching into the car and just come out.
No. No.
I'm going to drag you out.
No. Do not touch
Stop.
me. Do not touch me.
Stop and
Do
get
not
out of
touch
the
me.
car.
No.
Do not
What
reach
is
into
the
a car
reason?
that I don't see.
Okay, and what's the
Get
reason?
out of the car
No.
now.
No. What's the reason of you touching me?
Get out of the car. I don't know what's in the car.
Don't touch
Get
me.
out of the
I
car.
don't give a damn.
We just come to get some gas.
Don't touch me.
Step out of the
No.
car. None of this is going to
No.
matter.
Okay, and none of this had to happen if you didn't approach me, would it?
Just stop.
That's
Get
why
out
you
of the
approached me
car.
always. Like, come on. What was the reason of your nose being
I'm
broken?
trying to leave your girl alone if she would just get out of the
No,
car.
because you asking for drivers and registration. What is your reason? Like, come on. It's
all on
in the
camera.
backseat. No,
Turn around.
don't touch me.
Turn around. That's what I'm going to tell you. Okay? Turn around and put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest.
No, the hell I'm not.
You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. Do it.
Don't touch me. You can do what you're trying to do.
No, I'm going to do it. If you're making this
No.
difficult, put your hands behind your back.
No.
Come over here, please.
No.
Stand up.
No, but you can talk to
Want
me.
to help me?
No.
Turn around and put your hands
Touch me. Don't.
Put your hands behind your back. I'm trying to... Stop. Do not kick me again. Do not kick me again.
Break my arm. I'm gonna f*** you up. Break my arm.
No one trying to hurt you.
I'm on my fingers in the car. Come on. No.
Stop.
I have no reason to approach me.
Hey, can y'all record
No.
this? Somebody record. Hey,
Stop.
I have no reason to approach me.
Baby,
Can I get her?
Put it on the ground.
Bro,
nobody wants to do this. Nobody wants to do this. Please stop. Please stop. Okay, I can't tell you enough.
Okay, you didn't have no reason to approach me. And then my arm is broken. I'm gonna f*** you up. Oh God.
Roll onto your side. Roll onto your side.
You see this? You see this?
You don't get off me down. You get off me. Can I lean on my car? Like that? Can you get off of me?
You're okay, buddy.
Florida Statute Section 322.15 requires a driver to display their license on demand, but only when operating a motor vehicle. That car was parked. No traffic stop. Under Florida v. Bostick, United States Supreme Court, 1991, a consensual encounter does not implicate the Fourth Amendment so long as a reasonable person would feel free to walk away. She pushed back. The officer read defiance where she was asserting a constitutional right. To move from conversation to an investigative stop, Terry v. Ohio, 1968, requires reasonable, articulable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot. Nothing here establishes that before the demand was made. Gut instinct does not satisfy Terry. Specific, articulable facts do. First contact to arrest, 90 seconds, no stated basis, no de-escalation attempt. Use of force runs through Graham v. Connor, United States Supreme Court, 1989. 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. Disputed document request, not a violent felony. Argumentative but unarmed, not an imminent threat. But she kicked the officer repeatedly. That is factor 3, and Graham does not judge that by hindsight. It judges what a reasonable officer knew in that moment on that scene. Kicking the officer triggers Florida Statute Section 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer, 3rd-degree felony. Saying, "Break my arm, I will mess you up on camera," supports Florida Statute Section 843.01, resisting with violence. Courts have held consistently that even when an initial stop lacks full authority, physical resistance creates independent criminal liability that stands on its own. Florida has no general stop and identify law. Compelling identification requires lawful detention grounded in specific criminal suspicion. Johnson had committed nothing observable. But he had a child to protect and a clear exit if he cooperated. He did. He walked out free with the child. Florida Statute Section 39.301 requires assessing that minor's welfare during a parental arrest, and officers handled that correctly. Medical clearance was arranged before transport when injury was claimed. Protocol requires evaluation before booking. Final charges: battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, unsafe operation of a motor vehicle. Final sentence: $344. 2 third-degree felonies, each carrying up to 5 years under Florida law, resolved for a fine. Almost certainly a plea or charge reduction.
Can you get off of me? I'm already on my car. Get off of me. Okay, get off of me. Get off of me.
Bravo,
I have no reason to.
Why'd you searching me? You said I'm making sure you don't
Get your ass out of my car.
stop pulling away from me, bro. I'm not going anywhere. I'm right
Get
here.
out of my car.
Camera, relax.
Okay, but don't.
Hold on, camera.
Come on, bro. Like, come on.
My kid would be safe if y'all wouldn't ever approach me. Like, what the f? Thank you for recording. Tell you, you don't have no reason to approach me. No reason.
Yeah, and she kicked me repeatedly, too.
Let's shut the f up.
Okay.
How old is he?
Y'all get the hell off of me. Get down.
He's not speaking right now, so I would say like a 2
Bro, get off of me.
And you can come out of handcuffs, but in the meantime, she is getting arrested. We need for someone to take care of the child at this point. You can go to jail and we could call child services, or you can take the child and relax for a second.
Boss man, I'm not doing anything. Am I not standing right here?
What I'm explaining something to you, that's all, okay?
What you need my ID for? I'm not arrested, am I? Okay, then what you need my ID
hell,
for?
I'm not.
Why are you making this difficult?
Has she been searching me? Hello? What is there to search, you idiot? You approached me for no reason. Dumb touching me. Hey! Hey! Oh!
I did not commit a crime. Go to jail for
You
what?
want to go to jail?
Did I go to jail for what?
It's
Go to jail for what?
All right, I'm done.
All right, then you're gonna go to jail too. For what?
Put him in the back of your car for now until you can figure out who he is.
Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away. You will be walking with me.
Before you go in the car, I am going to search your person now. Spread your feet, please. Spread your feet, please.
He's got stuff all in here. Stop moving, man.
Stop pulling away. Again.
Give me a bag.
Boss man. Can I get the kid, please? Can I call somebody to come?
Now you're
come
asking
get
for
him?
favors? That's what we're just asking for your ID? That was a
Boss man,
simple request.
He just told me, look, hold on.
Stop pulling away.
I'm talking. I'm not.
Let's look at the car.
You can sit
Give
in the
him a chance
car.
to talk.
You search him good for him.
Crazy.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna tell you.
All we're
I
trying to
can't,
get
bro, the kid is in the car. I cannot do
we're
it.
trying to ID you. First of all,
Boss man, what he just told me, you trying to ID to get a kid.
I'm
But
trying
you
to
try-
ID. You're
you
not
tell me
listening.
you gotta-
Listen to me. Where's your ID?
Boss man, you tell him you gotta ID me to get arrested.
No, I'm not. I'm saying I'm trying to identify you. Where's your
Or
identification?
I'm gonna go to jail.
I'm asking for your identification.
But you say, are you asking for identification or I'm going to jail?
I'm asking for identification. Do you
But
have
I'm
it on
saying,
you?
you said, or I'm going to jail.
I'm not getting in a debate. Do you have ID with
Can
you?
I ask a question? I can't. Can I?
Need your ID.
Maybe you can effectively communicate with me. Him.
Okay, if I'm asking, if I don't give you ID, I'm going to jail.
Absolutely, at this point. But we need your
I
ID.
didn't do anything.
I answered your question. Now we need your ID.
I didn't do anything.
Why wouldn't you just give us your ID, man?
You got a warrant or something, man?
I don't have no.
Okay, well, it's
But
simple
y'all
then.
just did that to my girl.
You wanna go John Doe? Is that what it is?
And then I have a kid in the car.
Well,
bro.
we can't address that till we figure out who you are. So either you're gonna give us your ID or you're not. I just
No.
walked up on scene. I have no idea.
We'll fingerprint you down there. Don't worry about it.
Or put a seatbelt on. I'm on.
Seatbelt? Okay.
Can I go get my
No,
ID?
you can't
My
do
kid.
anything.
I need to.
Move.
We asked you 15 times
You're
already.
allowed.
No, we're not
No, the
playing
kid
that.
is in the
You
car.
wasn't worried about your kid when you was acting up. You wasn't
The
worried
kid
about
is
it
in the
then, but now
car.
you
Come
were.
on, the kid is in the
We wanna hear
car.
it.
We're gonna find it. You had a lot of. All you had to do is present your ID. I don't know what you and your girl going through. Because maybe a problem that they jumped on and solved today. Something that y'all, but I don't know. Whatever it is right now, it's taking a different turn because of the way that, first of all, when I came, how she's acting and how you're acting. All right. Now you got kids in the car. CPS is gonna be involved. Look, man, we just.
You just want his 14.
We're gonna get it. Where's it at? Okay, his ID is in the car.
I don't know. He's not letting me.
He said it is. We can go. Is that his vehicle?
Can I go get the ID? I can get
Whose
you
car
the
is
ID.
that?
It's my car.
It's his car.
I can
Where's
go,
your ID?
I
That's
can,
all I'm asking for. What I've
I
been
can
asking
go.
You're not getting out of his car without getting an ID. You're not getting
Can
it.
I?
Just know
I'll
that.
take you. You can go get it.
Okay,
It's
you're
not
allowed
stop
me
the
to
cop.
go. You're allowed me to go.
That's not the way
I'm
it's
not
works.
allowed to search my car.
We're not saying we're
I'm allowing
searching
you
it.
to get my ID out
Where's
the
it
car.
at?
In the car.
In the car. Well,
Where?
I'm gonna have to search for it. You don't tell me where it's at. I'm gonna have to search. So tell me where it's
I
at,
can give you
so I
my
can
name,
go
my-
directly there.
I can give you my name and my stuff.
So obviously there's something in the car you don't want us.
There's
Let me
nothing
explain
in
this
the
to
car.
you. If we can identify you, I feel confident that I can take you in handcuffs and you're not under arrest today. Suppose that. Then you can take custody of the child in the vehicle.
Let me get my ID out the car.
You're not telling us how this is going
What's
to
your
go,
name?
buddy.
That's not the way. What's your name, man?
Johnson.
Here's his, I don't know what you have or got, but here's probably that was taken off of him.
Are you okay if this gentleman that you were with takes custody of your child?
Go ahead.
Yes, she says yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's coming for y'all, so do what the hell y'all gotta do. I'm telling you, look me if you want to. That's what they coming for you. All of y'all, so do what you want to do.
Before we take you to jail, I am taking you to the hospital. You said you wanted medical attention. Okay? I am. I'm just letting you know what's happening.
And tell my boyfriend to come and take me to the hospital. Clark West.
No, we're headed to Coral Springs Medical or Broward General.
Whatever you're telling me, tell him. Do not tell him anything else.
He's not gonna be able to see you there. You know that, right?
Well, you can tell him right in front of you because I know how some officers like this need coming to
It doesn't. It wouldn't matter if. Hang on for a second. Whether he knows where you are or not, he's still not gonna be able to come see you. So it doesn't matter if I took you to Palm Beach County, which I'm not. But I'm just saying he's not gonna be able to see you wherever we go.
Not long. I just moved down here.
Okay, I
just
get that,
came
but
back down here.
let me tell you something. When you say I just moved here, to me that could mean a day, to someone else it could mean a year, to somebody else it could mean a month, to somebody else it could mean 3 months. You get what I'm saying?
But
I'm asking you specific questions. When did you move here? It's a close-ended question, right? So So the response would be 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago.
I just came back here like a couple, I say it's not even 2 weeks yet. Since
2
I've
weeks.
been-
Okay,
since I've been
perfect.
back
Then
in
that
town.
makes a
And I
lot.
went
Then
to
it
go
would make
do my
listen. Hear me out. Listen. Then it makes a lot of sense that you wouldn't know your address if you've only been here 2 weeks. You get me? But if you're like, I've been here a year and I don't know my address, I'd be like, well, that doesn't really make sense. You understand where I'm coming from?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, so we have you identified. I'm going to have you exit the vehicle. I'm going to take the seatbelt off. I'm going to take you out of handcuffs.
I don't have a phone number. Is this his phone number?
No, that's from a different call. So
Johnsley, do you have a phone number?
At the moment,
Yes.
you all need all the information?
We're releasing a child to you, so yes.
Husband, all of that is on video. So
Okay, so let me explain something to you. You're in a public place. I have every right to look at the car. I wasn't even interested. I couldn't see in the car. The only reason I even took paid attention to the car, I couldn't see if there was anybody in it. So I was concerned for me.
you hyped all that up for no reason,
You hyped
bro.
it all up.
How did I help anything up? I was.
Hold on. I'm not going to
I'm not under arrest, right? I can't talk.
Here's the property. I'm not going to
I
debate
can't.
it.
Can I not talk?
We're leaving. We're leaving.
You're good. We're good.
We're leaving.
She didn't know that. She kicked me.
Can I have a bag? Y'all, I know y'all usually have cards. Can I have
I
your
can give you
cards?
the case number, sure.
Kozlowski 542. Okay?
Do you have a case card?
I'm on that.
you want to call for everybody or Okay, I'll go.
Yeah, I don't have my cards, so I apologize. I can give you my name.
I'm a lawyer. I'm from
I'm just giving the case number and we're out of here.
Y'all.
My ID number is next to it.
All she had to do was give me her driver's license and registration.
That's right. You did not make it that simple.
Yes, I did.
You hyped everything up.
Okay.
You hyped everything up for
We'll
no
file a
reason.
complaint. We'll agree to
I
disagree.
will file a complaint. You hyped everything up for no reason. And I'm being calm. I'm telling my girl to be calm. Y'all got me in handcuffs and y'all telling me, hey, stop. Hey, stop. Hey, I'm not doing
I'm trying to
anything.
give you the case number.
I forget. I'm not debating. Why am I doing this? This is on me. That's my fault.
Hang on. You want me to tell him? Tell him. You're sitting right here, right? You're watching, right?
Can you listen to me? Can you hear me?
I don't know.
Stop here. Don't try to be smart.
Sir,
You just told her that you're
Sir.
going to take me to the hospital. You just said that you were
sir, she wanted you to know I'm taking her to the hospital for medical clearance, okay?
Springs.
Coral Springs, okay? That's what she wanted me to make sure I told you, so I am. Romeo 92?
Let my wrist be bleeding. Y'all don't give a damn about nobody.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
telling
51
you, this
of
was
Coral
wrong.
Springs med
You know
with
that.
Mike
You
22,
still
is
going
1015,
through it.
female, copy starting.
The officer gets a C+. No stated legal basis for the approach. 90 seconds to arrest with zero de-escalation. Exactly what modern training says to avoid. Post-arrest, he followed protocol on medical clearance, child custody, and communication. The back half of this encounter was professional. The front half cost him. The female subject gets a C-. Questioning why an officer approaches your parked car is the right instinct under the Fourth Amendment. Legally sound. But going physical handed the state 2 potential felonies. A complaint filed the next morning could have cost nothing. The courtroom was always the better place to fight this. First lesson. Know your encounter type. Consensual, investigative, or arrest. Each carries a different legal threshold. When in doubt, ask calmly. Am I being detained, or am I free to go? That forces the officer to name the legal standard that applies and creates a record when the answer is wrong. Second lesson. Compliance is not surrender. You can comply with an unlawful demand and challenge it in court where the Constitution is actually enforced. Physical resistance eliminates every option you had. Resisting an officer, even one without full authority, creates independent criminal liability. You cannot resist your way to a legal win. Third lesson. The body cam is a neutral witness and it does not take your side. Break my arm, I will mess you up is not venting. It is a statement a prosecutor reads aloud to a jury. What you say in the worst 5 minutes of your life can define the next several years of it. Every second on that footage is already Exhibit A. If there is a body cam video, a police encounter, or a legal question you want us to break down, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one.